just the right amount.
We'll have delicious rice soon, Mom.
This is coming along nicely.
Look how tidy these rolls are.
I'm helping too.
This is so much fun.
Just a little more.
Yay! Rice is ready. Eat it while it's hot. Thank you, Mom.
This is the best meal ever. I'm so happy.